Hey, today we're going to show you how you can create a WordPress page with a single prompt. Before getting started, install both the Antimanual and Antimanual Builder plugins on your WordPress website. Then navigate to the Antimanual dashboard and click Add Page to begin creating your page.
Describe the page you want in plain language and add attachments to get a complete, editable layout back.
Even you can choose your preferred AI model.
There are two modes available on the page builder. If you choose fast mode, the AI skips the planning phase and generates the page in a single pass. But in plan mode, the AI first analyzes your request and creates a structured plan and reasoning process.
You can review the process, make changes, and approve to proceed.
Once the plan is ready, the AI will generate your complete WordPress page by following the plan structure, all within just a few minutes.
Not only that, you can customize any section or block to match your preferences. Simply make the changes yourself or ask the AI agent to do it for you. Just describe what you want and the AI will update your page instantly based on your request. You can also transform your content into dynamic content by binding a section to your website's live data, ensuring it updates automatically whenever your content changes. You can even convert any section into a fully functional dynamic navigation menu with just a few clicks. You can apply custom CSS to fully customize the appearance of your content. The Content Hierarchy panel helps you organize, manage, and group your sections and blocks with ease. Also, you can drag and drop any section or block with ease. You can access your recently created pages, embed any WordPress shortcode, and save reusable blocks directly to your current page. For developers, a dedicated code view provides access to the underlying code, making it easy to inspect, edit, and track development progress. Preview your page's responsive experience. From generating pages to fine-tuning every detail, the AI-powered page builder gives you everything you need to create professional WordPress websites effortlessly.